Hi! In front of me is OPPO RENO 10 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video files to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and clicking on one of your tabs. After that, select this plus at the bottom left corner and click on Files section. Now select Audio and Videos filters at the top and hold one of your files that you wish to add. In my case, this audio one. Lastly, hit select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my file was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!